Go it up. Give a round of applause for yourself. Turn up, man. Turn up. Appreciate all you guys who have been tapping into the movement. All you guys who've been going hard for Trade or Die. You know what I'm saying? You see, I got the Trade Boy gear on right now, man. Also, you know, I have to start off that, you know, we do have bunch of new products coming to the market, man. So the Trade Boy stickers will be out for release, so you guys will be able to grab you some Trade Boy stickers, slap those everywhere. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty big, dope stickers and stuff like that. Also, we got these transparent Forex stickers, so you can go ahead and smack that on your computer. How do I get those, Ty? Go to TradeGang.com. That's gonna get you lit, man. That's gonna definitely get you tapped in. Also, if you haven't already, go and grab Trade or Die. Yo, this book has been going crazy on Amazon. This book has been going crazy on Barnes and Nobles, and it's been going crazy on BookBaby. All right, so our statistics for this, man, we've been going super up. Just like I said, once again, appreciate all you guys for just really tapping in. So smack the like button, and you know, you really smacking the like button for yourself. You're investing in new knowledge, new game. You guys have went and ordered Trade or Die. We're the #1 new release on Amazon in the foreign exchange. The motherfucking first black author that's #1 new release. Go be the first black author that sits and reigns on Amazon's top bestseller Hot 100. Nigga, we been up and down on the markets, up and down on the charts, going crazy. So y'all about to pop my shit. Been #1. Let's really talk it all week, and we're gonna pull up the stats too, and then we're gonna get into and then we're gonna go ahead and get into, you know, the music, and we're gonna get into everything else. But just to let y'all know, it's going up, man. It's going up, nigga. The first black Forex author to top the charts, to do it like I'm doing it, nigga. To do it like I'm doing it, nigga. From the west side of Long Beach. Let's really talk about it. We going up, man. Shout out to y'allself. Appreciate the support. Yes, if you order it, man, the book is gonna go to you guys. You somebody said I'm in Canada. Hey, it'll be to you next week if you order. Let's get this Forex on Sunday cracking. You already know I'm about to pull up my charts right now, and let's get popping. I know I said I was gonna pull up the book, but we're gonna check out DXY real quick. We're gonna check out DXY real quick, just to start everything off, and then, you know, we're gonna start getting it popping like that. So let me go ahead and switch to DXY real quick for you guys, and let's get it cracking like that. Where you from in the chat, man? Make some noise, make some noise, make some noise, make some noise for yourself. Make some noise for yourself. It's definitely a vibe. If you got your blunts going right now, get it popping, get it popping, get it popping. And then since the book Trade or Die has dropped, and you know, for today, you know, we definitely have to do we got to do the song for real. So we're gonna start off this Forex on Sundays with that Trade or Die, and that's how we're gonna get rocking with that. So let's go ahead, load that up, and we're gonna start that off on DXY. If you haven't got the book or grabbed the book yet, all you have to do, once again, go to the link in my bio and always be trading and always keep it G. A trader nigga from the streets. If you know about it, man, a trader to this beat. Yeah. Bet I wake up in the morning, check my trades and toss my phone. Every day is Trade or Die, so keep the numbers out the wall. Keep the linen in the sheets, up in the yard, I hang it close. Every time the cameras flash, that's another million sold. Bet I wake up in the morning, check my trades and toss my phone. Every day is Trade or Die, so keep the numbers out the wall. Keep the linen in the sheets, up in the yard, I hang it close. Every time the cameras flash, that's another million sold. I look, Trade or Die, and that's a lie. Met a trader busted right, I just trade it and forget it. Always say a prayer, never leave without the biscuit. Stay inside the market, double up and then I split it. Thinking that they know my next move, yeah, forget it. And you know what you know, and you don't what you don't. Let's get it. Spam the chat right now, man. Spam the chat with your location. Spam the chat if you bought the book. Spam the chat if you're live. You feel me? Let's get it cracking at 5. Let's go. So check it. Look. Forex on Sundays. We gotta get these likes up too. Y'all be liking on the likes. You want the info, you definitely gonna have to show me some love, because that's the only way, you know what I'm saying? That's the only way YouTube gonna be like, oh yeah, okay. You know, people are tapped in, so make sure you guys are smacking that like button. Let's get those likes up real quick. Let's get those likes up, and then let's get started. Super simple. Let's get those likes up and let's get started. You know, that's the least you could do for the free information that you're about to receive on this good Forex Sundays. You get what I mean? So DXY, let's talk about the dollar. If anybody knows anything about what I have right here on the screen, this is called a channel. So in the book, I didn't go super crazy into channels because I'm really saving that for 5 to 1,000. 5 to 1,000, bro. I wouldn't Yeah, so I got a 3 series plan. You feel me? So this is just the first one out of the plan. That's gonna teach you Forex A through Z. The second one, 5 to 1,000, is gonna teach you how to flip your accounts. You guys see how I'm be flipping my accounts? It's gonna teach you how to flip your accounts faster, faster, and fastest. Okay, and then the last part of the series is gonna be a bigger book, man. It's gonna be all gold. It's gonna be popping as fuck. I'm not gonna tell you the title yet, but just know like I said, I had a plan with doing this. I am one of the first Black Forex authors to be moving how I'm moving out here. So we're gonna take that with high regard and do it how we do it. So right here inside of this support and resistance, right? I'm gonna go ahead and just shrink this down a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and erase this right here. Let's talk about the dollar. Fed's still looking to hike interest rates until September 2023. You're like, Ty, where'd you get that info from? I actually got that from the Fed. Did I have that still pulled up? I think I still had that pulled up. I gotta find it. I think I was checking that out. Oh yeah, here it is right here. It was 23rd. Okay, boom. So here we go. So we just basically talk about what the Fed wants to do. And right here, the banks are expected to fully recover 100.2% of actual and imputed expenses in 2023, meaning that basically they're looking to make all the money back that they've been dishing out to, to everybody in the United States, all the money that they can get in expenses. They've been hiking the rates up, trying to get the money back, make the money worth less while you pull in more. You feel me? So they won't have to print as much. You want to try to control the circulation of money because you're trying to, keep the value extremely high. We are one of the strongest currencies in the world, the strongest currency in the world, my bad. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like the United States just wants to continue doing that. So the Fed rate hikes will continue out into 2023 September. I know right here it's talking about January. That's when it starts being like extremely effective. And then, that's when we're going to start moving. All the way out into September 2023. All right. So let's get back to DXY. Price now right now at 110. We're gonna go ahead and throw the chopsticks back on there. All right. All I'm doing is making a quick little channel so I can read it. The two patches or the two rectangles that I have drawn here. All right. So all these patches or rectangles are just areas of consolidation. As you can see, I could even mark it up like this. Build me some nice little support and resistance. So right here you have a bearish engulfing candle. If you don't know what an engulfing candle is, just literally type in, understand the Japanese candlesticks, and you are going to definitely get a grasp and grip on what a bearish engulfing candle is, or what a bullish engulfing candles are. But basically they're very, very strong candles, very distinct. It's the candle that eats all the other candlesticks. So think about it like Pac-Man. So you see how this one red candlestick is eating 1, 2, 3, 4 candlesticks. All right, see, I was eating all 4 of these. So it's overpowering all of those. So it's basically saying like, man, fuck all of that. And price should continue pushing to the downside. We should see like 109. So maybe Sunday, Monday, we get around 109. Tuesday, Wednesday, it bounces off this solid support area right here, and or called a demand zone, right? Bounces out of this zone right here of consolidation and pushes back up and gets back to about 112, 113, and that could be our week. You know what I mean? So you're like, well, why would it be like that? Because that's what it's been. That's what it's been. Since when did this start? September. So that's what it's been since September in this type of low zone. So I feel like it's just going to continue in the zone or in that little pennant type of formation until it's about to go ahead and break out. You feel me? So let's go ahead and move on. So that's DXY. So we got the dollar fading to the downside. Then you have EU possibly pushing higher this week. You have Great British Pound, US dollar pushing higher the first few days of the week. And then let's just go take a breeze through the stock market so we see, what's popping. You dig? Also, once again, you guys need to smack that like button. You need to smack the like button. Let's get cracking. You know what I'm saying? Let's get cracking. Let's get cracking. You said CPI will break the consolidation. Let's hope so. Definitely that news and that data is what we're going to need to, push through some of the ranges and things like that. Let me know in the chat right now. Just let me know in the chat right now. what do you guys like to trade? What do you like to trade? What's your favorite pair? I like this to be an engaging experience. I don't like it to be one-sided. I love to have a multi-dimensional experience. You get what I'm saying? So I always like the audience to be just as involved as I am. That's what's gonna not only keep, me awake, but it's gonna keep you alert. You know what I'm saying? Because we're taking one of the most boring subjects, and we're making it fun. So just so you know, this one of the most boring subjects in the world, but it's money. It's a way that you can make money. It's a way that you can make money fast. And those who have the patience, the discipline, and the right plan of action will be able, obviously, to, it's going to amount to a lot of traction. And that traction is going to be right into your pocketbook, right into your wallets. All right. I see people say Dirty 30. I see people say Das. He said, would the book officially go be on sale? Shit, the book is officially out on sale right now. It's out on sale right now. You can go grab that. You can go to the link in my bio, bit.ly/trader. You can go to my link in my bio right there, grab that. And you can go ahead and grab you a copy, man. You feel me? You can grab you a copy like that. I don't know why the comments aren't popping up. They should be going crazy right now. But I see you guys' comments right here. And let's get back to it. All right, so now let's slide the gold, and you already know, like, it's gonna be a little bit faster. So we got gold pushing through. Hey, I thought gold shit was gonna stop at like 70 and pull back. You feel me? It hit 70, dropped down to like 60, whatever, 60 something like that. But I wasn't watching it. I had a stop loss in that shit. You feel me? And that was like the last trade I took on gold on Friday. You know what I mean? But I didn't smack that trade. But it's crazy. I went all week, nigga, hitting. Then fucking go to gold, nigga, last day Friday, and then fuck my goddamn, my whole goddamn perfect streak up. You feel me? So it's like, damn, man, I fucked up my perfect streak. So I missed one trade on a week. But I mean, shit. Other than that, I did pretty well. You feel me? The past week, then like I said, just gold. You feel me? Fucking with NFP, I thought it was gonna just smack this zone right here and just pull back off the bitch, because usually that's what it does. Boom, it hits that high zone, and then next thing you know, boom, price pulls back. So I'm like, hey, nigga, as soon as it hit this shit, I'm gonna fade it off the top side. Shit, it sat up there for a minute like it was gonna drop, came down a little bit. I was like, man, whatever. You feel me? So I think I had price. I got in at 70 and got out at like 73 or some shit like that. You feel me? So my stop was super, super tight. I wasn't fucking with NFP like that, because shit, I had a crazy ass week, man. So hell yeah. But gold is on a GoFig right now, and as you can see, this GoFig has eaten everything. All right, it's eaten everything. So that's that candlestick right here. So that's why I explained that story, because I want you to understand what's going on. So we can have dollar get it weaker and gold possibly push it into the 1700s. There's a crazy ass GoFig. Or Sunday, right? Price could open up, right? Sunday, and just start fading off the top side. Price is high as shit. I feel like it's gonna continue, but maybe it doesn't continue Sunday. You feel me? I feel like during the week it's gonna probably get to the 1720 area and then try to start pulling back out of there. You feel me? But hey, we are in a crazy supply zone right now, and it's some crazy resistance up here. Could gold stand the test of time? Let's see if it's going to sit at the 1680 or if it's going to just keep pushing into the 1700s. This is an engulfing candle. Just reading the candlesticks, it says, hey, fuck it, we might keep pushing forward. So if the dollar does get weaker, I am expecting gold to obviously keep driving price, higher and higher back into the 1700s until the shit starts pulling back. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I feel like Sunday, Monday, we may get an open where we come off this 1680 and drop into about maybe 1660, maybe even the 1650 area. But ultimately, I do feel like gold is going to keep the pressure top sides if the dollar starts to crumble. So everything's going to be depend on the dollar. As we just looked at the dollar, we seen a lot of bearish sentiment coming from the dollar. We actually seen it taking a dip. We seen that engulfing over there as well. Just reading candlesticks, understanding the language of the market, what it's telling us beyond what news is saying, beyond what people are saying. We're just going off of what we're strictly reading. So that's what price action is. You want to just pay attention to what the market is telling you, and it's telling you, hey, we're at a position where we could potentially get the pullback, but with the engulfings being there, usually you have like a 65 to 85% chance of price continuing in whatever direction that engulfing candlestick is going. You dig? Let's get it, baby. Let's get it, baby. Like I said, for me, you could go to the little group of shit. I don't know where the signal is at. I don't know where the link is at. Somewhere to buy or stuff like that. You can check out all the trades and stuff like that. So all my trades is there, so you can see everything. Nigga, that we be hitting, baby, and that's just what it is. I stand behind my shit. Like I said, that's why I don't care about telling you about the wins and the losses. But shit, the hit rate in that group is probably like 92%. You feel me? Like 92%. That's a high percentage, but check it out, man. We're going to keep it moving on. We're going to keep it moving out to US 30, baby. So let's clear this up. All right. I love how US 30 is looking. I thought the harmonic was going to come and drop this bitch. Remember last week I shot you a harmonic play? You feel me? I thought the bitch was going to come down to 30,000, but look. Hey, where price is at right now, we could potentially continue to push down. Also, I do want you to see that it's like a higher low here as well. So price been pushing, gets really high, and then pulls down to like a higher low. It's just the stock market is really high right now. You know, usually around this time we're gonna start seeing some the market push a little bit to the downside this time of the year, just because you know it's the time of the year where that's just where it does. That's just what it does. You know what I mean? So yeah, prices are high right now, but you know with the dollar coming, we got CPI this week. I think I gotta check the news reports, but I do feel like the stock market is gonna end up down. You know, underneath maybe like 31,500. And when I mean stocks, I'm talking about US 30. So the Dow, we're gonna go to NAS, we're gonna SPY, but I do feel like Dow is gonna get down between like 31.5 or beneath, just because that's how 30 moves. Could we still get a push top side? We could retest 33,000 to start the week. So, you know, maybe Sunday, Monday open, we can get up, you know, to the highs of like 32.6 to 33.1, somewhere around there before we start pulling back down and moving like that. You dig? But like I said, I do feel like gold is going to push higher potentially, and the stock market is going to come a little bit lower. Let's get it. 30 is at a higher low. So just be expected, you feel me, price to possibly push up to that 33,000 area. And then if we get no break, then you already know what it is. It's time for the big shorts that we go be eating to the downside. You feel me? But it is a higher low. This is a trend started this way. So just know, like, if you know anything about trends, zoom in. So got everything trending right now, and the price is at a higher low. So we could push up and fill this 33,000 area. That's all I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? Dollar start fading. 30 fill this shit right here, and then it start consolidating. Then it's like, yo, okay, so what do we do at this point? Sits there, starts consolidating, and then either A, we're gonna keep breaking top side. You can just keep either, you know, holding your buys if you've been buying on the way up. If we get a scalp or something, like I said, if you want to get the day by day plays, just, you know, tap into my signal shit. I got you. I'm gonna give you the day by play by play. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, whichever way this market go, we're gonna fucking eat. I do feel like price is gonna get beneath 31.5 this week, and I feel like, you know, starting off we may hit 33,000. So I may even throw some sell limits around that 33,000 area, just so it can get a little bit higher, so I can get a better selling entry. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it. You said talk about Vanguard. Why is Vanguard Group ordered everything? I'll have to super look into that situation. Telegram or WhatsApp for the signals. I use Telegram, Brody. I use Telegram. I like it, man. It's easy, you know. Shit, when the market get popping though, your ass might get like 5 notifications. Shit, really, realistically, like 6, 7 notifications, because if nigga in the morning it be busting, and I'm just giving you updates. Boom, price right here right now. Boom, I putting your trailer stops. Boom, we moving. That's how I trade. You feel me? So boom, now let's go to this Nasdaq. These were trades from this week. So that was all this, you see that shit pushing to the downside. These are all like sales and stuff like that. Every single day, just smacking that shit up. Well, yeah, just come fuck with us. I got you. Let's remove that. Let's check the weekly. All right, so this is what we're looking at on the week. Price technically still traded to the downside. Technically, if you want to throw those out there, cool. But you know, I really teach you how to read. Like, I really rather you just read this bitch. You feel me? But that's what's going on right now. That's where price is moving to the downside. So right now on the weekly, we got price just smacking here. And either A, we're gonna pull up off of here for the week just because of what it is, or B, price is gonna be taken as, you see these swings right here. These are like lower highs on the pushes down. You feel me? So every time price gets up pretty high, all price seem like it's gonna do is just bam. So I think starting the week, it's gonna push up a little bit. So Sunday, Monday, maybe even push up a little bit, then start cracking through to the downside, just because that's the swings that are going on in the market right now. Like, it's swinging high and then boom, drop, swing high and then boom, drop. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, let's see, man. Let's see, man. Let's see what it does. I do feel like we're gonna get some power to the downside this week. I feel like we're gonna be a little bit red. But once again, you're gonna start off by going into the daily. Boom, we're gonna bust it down. You see what's going on in the daily right now. You got price just trying to pull back off this little demand zone right here. Some support, right? We'll clear that up. Go to the 4 hour. All right, same thing. You kind of see like the same vibe going on in the 4. All right, price feeling that. We're gonna create our own SNR real quick. All right, so Sunday, Monday, we got NAS looking like what it could push. Shit, NAS could push all the way up out of here and just play the whole zone. To be honest, it could say, you know, fuck all that. Start. It could even do Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. You feel me? Bam. And then at 11:4 Wednesday, be like boom and just crash all the way through. You feel me? For reversal Wednesdays, or price could say fuck it. You feel me? And get us a break underneath this support right here. So that's at like 10,500. So like 10,500, anything under like 10,500. You feel me? Anything under like 10,500, which is like 300 points down. I'm reading the 4 hours. So I mean, realistically, you're getting, you know, a bunch of candlesticks underneath NAS as we pushing down to the downside. You feel me? Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. For me, I'm a break and retest price action trader. So it don't matter what time of the day we could get in and use that break and retest. If you know how to read, like I said, Trader Die gonna put you on game. It's gonna teach you a lot. 5 to 1,000. We're gonna be a little more intricate because I'm gonna teach you how to flip accounts. And then the third book, just don't even trip. That's gonna be like my Forex dissertation. I got you. I said this was a dissertation, but it's only like 250 pages. It's really just, it's just the introduction. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it popping like that. All right, now we about to go ahead and slide to the SPY, baby. We're gonna slide to the SPY, baby. So these were some of the shits from this week as well. A bunch of sales, caught a lot of sales, man. We got a lot of shit to the downside. We're sniping that shit up. Once again, all of this is inside of the Signal chat. So if you want to tap in, hey, tap in. If not, hey, fuck it, catch the Forex on Sundays. Grab a book. You feel me? But let's get it. Let's get it. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up real quick. Let's clean this up. Slide to the daily. Same vibe, same vibe. You do see that, you know, price did what? See, this what I like. This a little bit better. It's a little bit better. See, this one actually played the harmonic all the way out. US 30 didn't play all the way out. Harmonic's supposed to drop down to B. So SPY already did what it's supposed to do inside of this. Like I said, like, you know, in the final book that I write, that's gonna go strictly into like harmonics, how I use them, how I see it. Like, man, it's gonna wrap everything together for you. So, you know, you're gonna be able to purchase the Tyler K. Moore 3-book series, like boom, Trader Die 5 to 1,000, and then boom, the last one. And hey man, that show for you've basically taken it's gonna be a published accredited Forex course, nigga, once you go through my books and shit. You know what I'm saying? So don't even trip, man. Don't even trip. We need that accreditation. Accreditation. We trying to be valid out here, man. We trying to be valid out here, man. So let's see. Shorty Dominique Reeves said, "Do you give stop loss on signals?" So sometimes I give stop losses, sometimes I don't. It depends on how I feel. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes I'm like, yo, but you should already know. Hey, when you're playing the market, if you playing like 30 or NAS, you want to do like a 20 to 30 point stop regardless. You get what I'm saying? So already in your mind, before you even get in and start fucking with indexes, just know like, hey, use very high pace. It moves really, really fast. You know what I'm saying? So you need to know when you're wrong or right. You get what I'm saying? Plus, like, shit, it's going to let you know fast. We looking for prices, just boom, slide right in and keep moving. And if it's not doing that, then fuck it, we move to the next trade. You know what I mean? Know what I mean? But yeah, let's get popping with SPY. So we got SPY right here. Still coming off this little push to the downside. Feel me? Still, this is some divergence right here. You can see it. Bink. Bink. I know you're probably like, damn, how do you see that? But it was there. Like I said, get the third installment. You're gonna get the third installment. We're gonna go all the way into detail, man. You're gonna really be able to delve into my mind. First, we're gonna start off at Trader Die. You need to get the acumen, you need to get the vibration, the energy, how to feel, you feel me, like a champion Forex trader. How to fucking think like me, nigga. How to relinquish your fear. You're not where you want to be because you're too afraid. You got a fear of growing. That's why. That's the truth. nigga, there's no excuses. There's no excuse. Oh, because it is, because of that. Ain't no excuse. Because you're afraid to jump to that next level. Why didn't you risk bigger? Because you're afraid to risk bigger. Why didn't you? You get what I'm saying? That's why. We ain't playing that shit over here, man. So trade or die. Get the acumen, man. Get the lifestyle. The book of no excuses. So I do feel like SPY is gonna continue pushing to the downside where we're at right now. We got a spinning top right here, popping off of this. What is this? This is some support. So, and this is some resistance. So boom, this will turn into a demand. This will turn into a supply as we move this. Bam. All right. So now we got price filling demand. So are we going to push back up Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or is price Sunday just going to keep dropping, right? And keep pushing down through here, get us down to that 35.72 area, anywhere underneath 36.90s, anywhere underneath 3700. That's like 64 points down. You can see price fading. Obviously, you can get smaller shorts, so we can go in probably around 37.32 on a smaller time frame, and then another signal will be like 3700. So 37.32, look for shorts. 3700, look for shorts, and we're gonna be trying to see if price will push down there. If not, then you're gonna be looking for buys above 37.78. That's about 12 points up, and then you'll clear the whole candle. Then about 38.11, and we just keep on clearing all the way up to about the 3900 area. All right. Now, if you didn't get anything I said, all you have to do is come back, man, turn this video on and get back popping. You feel me? Once again, if you guys haven't got the Trade or Die book yet, that's crazy. For those who order, it should be to you this week. It should be to you this week. Even if you're international, it should be to you this week. It's just one item. It's a book. So usually when it's things that are lightweight, they get to you much, much faster. All right. And I know they ship the same day. He said, do I have a CD for a book? So I'll be doing Audible soon. But we're not doing ebook just yet because I'm not gonna let the bootleggers eat just yet. But the bootleggers, don't worry, bootleggers, y'all gonna get a chance to eat. Y'all gonna get a chance to bootleg PDF my shit. It's just not gonna be this year. You get what I'm saying? But y'all gonna get a chance to do y'all thing because that's just what it is. You know what I mean? Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. So we breezed through the indexes. We breezed through gold. We went through the dollar. Now we're about to go right over. We can check Bitcoin. I fuck with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, hey, I don't even remember the last time I marked this shit up, but it still hasn't broken out of this area. These are, and mind you, this is the daily chart. So every single day is basically, well, this was October. So now we had a nice little break Friday. Okay. Hey, check out. Hey, now, say now. So Bitcoin got on Friday, created a nice little engulfing. So what? Can it pop up to 22,000? Okay, so dollar get weaker, Bitcoin go to about 22 to 24. It has hella potential. And if you know anything about trends, this is a nice little trend. So if we get a break on Bitcoin, then you got price possibly pushing here next. We're here right now. So the high of that is like 21.6. You feel me? So 21.6. Then we push to 22,000. Price go consolidate, start doing this little consolidation shit around 22,000. If it don't break 22,000, then it's gonna start dropping off of 22,000. So 22,000 might be some good shorts up there, some dope shorts up there, and then 24,000 next level if it break. But Bitcoin, I think, you feel me, price should continue pushing top side. Right now, where we're at right now, we are at a resistance / supply zone. You feel me? So let's see if it feels the resistance zone, it pulls down, it retests, or if it breaks through. And that's that's really how to trade, man. Y'all gotta be patient, you know what I'm saying? Let's see. Shorty said, time gonna buy your signals and pass FTMO. Yeah, people have passed FTMO with the signals. That's definitely what it is. Somebody said, this man is a published author. Show some due respect. Hey, salute to that shit, nigga. Like I said, hey, we out here for real. What's up? That is very true. I am a published author now. I add that to the resume. A published author in the foreign exchange, man. We're gonna talk about that soon. I just, wanted to go fuck with Bitcoin for a second. Let's slide to GU too. Let's slide to GU. Let's see. Ty, I never got the trading hoodie yet. On some of those hoodies, we have to go ahead and do refunds. So you guys are receiving refunds this week on the Trade or Die hoodies. They in backlog right now. The manufacturer flex. Nigga did this shit in DTG. You feel me? I didn't like the way this shit looked in DTG. I just wasn't fucking with it. I asked for it in screen print. Just fumbled the whole bag, right? So Hey man, like I said, I got to refund some of you guys. You give me like 2 weeks to a month, then I'll be able to get that hoodie production back on point. Right now, I just had to move on. So we have, once again, I got stickers right here. That's in production. That's cracking. I got shit. I ain't gonna tell y'all till they get here, but I got some specialty items that should be here in like 2 weeks. I got some more keychains coming. You guys are gonna like those. What else is on the way? Bookmarks. I got bookmarks on the way. You know what I'm saying? So just, man, anything Forex, just know we got on the way, man. We got popping. So you guys definitely, you want to be tapped in. All right. So Euro USD, hey man, we got DXY, and I'm gonna definitely look at it. Hey, first off, last week, this is from last week, right? Wednesday to here, or whatever week this was. I think it was last week. But yeah, this was last week. We talked about the dark cloud cover. Talked about paying attention. Go run that last live stream back and just look how this shit played out perfectly through the week. Just look how it played out perfectly through the week. I know my shit. I'm a published author, man. Go check out the motherfucking book, Trade or Die. It's going to get you right. Like I said, this is going to give you the introduction and briefing for those who already know. Once again, it's just going to be a nice little refresher. It's going to keep you right. 5 to 1,000. For those who want to be the money flippers, that's going to be for you. The money flippers. Oh, I want to make money fast. I want to really run it up. 5 to 1,000. The money flippers. I got you. That's in production right now. I'm writing that. Damn, I would say as we speak, but right now I'm on live. But when I get off, boom, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to play some 2K. We're going to go back to cooking that shit up. Because, I mean, after I knocked out the first book, I'm like, oh man, nigga, I guess the Lord just put it in me to keep going harder. So I got y'all. Let's go. Boom. So we're gonna put this side by side with DXY real quick. Easy call. So this is the hour. We're gonna go ahead and pull up the daily. All right. So that's what the day is looking like, and that's what Euro USD is looking like. All right. Literally the inverse. So what do we know? If y'all been here, y'all should know this shit already about the dollar, about Euro USD, about how shit moves. Right now we got this engulfing. If the engulfing is to continue, then all price is gonna do for Euro USD is continue in a direction. All right. So what price is at like 5 right now? So maybe at like 700, it keeps moving. 700 price keep moving, gets to about 1.001 up here, and then it starts to retest off of there. Shit, either Tuesday or Wednesday, who knows? It could do that shit tonight. You know what I'm saying? Price could wake up Sunday, be like, all right, fuck it, we're gonna drop 30 to 60 pips on you, just because that's a Sunday open for you. Sometimes Sunday opens are reversals. Sometimes Sunday opens are continuations. You just got to get in the market and trade what you see. That's why understanding Japanese candlesticks is hella important. Hey, smash that like button for me as well. Let's get it. Music King. Hey, my guy, appreciate you being on here, man. Appreciate you, Robert, being on here. Robert, you been around, man. I've been seeing you pop up on here for a minute, too. So appreciate all y'all who been tapped in, showing love and shit. You feel me? Let's get it. Naked trading, hell yeah. So that's this pair right here. We spoke about that. You understand what GU is going to do. What I'm going to do is do the try screen right now. That's 3 different screens real quick. Boom, on this screen, what I'm about to do is just pull up GU real quick. Bam, switch to the daily as well. We're going to read it off the daily because I want to get a weekly read off the daily. All right, so this is GU. You see the big engulfing. Let's go ahead and clear some of this up on GU. All right, and we already did stocks, so you guys already got your indications and what you need on the stock, so you should need to see what's going on over there. All right, that's our GU, and look what's going on. So this is called a Pearson line. So basically, all right, let's talk about it. So basically, so remember this thing right here when I was like, pay attention, and we talked about a dark cloud cover over here in Euro USD. So we have the inverse of a dark cloud cover, which is called a Pearson line. So a Pearson line not only is just a Pearson line, but it's a Pearson line at a solid ass support. How is this a solid support? Well, we're gonna look left, trade right, look left. Let's see. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we got some consolidation right here. If we go like to a 4 hour, then you'll see it a little bit different. That's what I'm talking about. I ain't gonna talk about it. I'm gonna show you. All right, so you see how we got price pulling up out of here. Dollar get weaker. GU gonna bust. It's out of here. Look left. Look at this shit right here. We just move this. Boom. So we got some solid support popping. Right now. The dollar week, we got GU at some solid support, and we also have a piercing line on the daily. There's a lot of indications and signals letting us know that, hey, this shit could bust up out of here, and GU could possibly hit 115, 116 for the week if the dollar is to continue to get weaker. If the dollar goes around 109, 108, then yeah, you know what we're going to see? Hey, man, the vibes. Let's get it. He said, "Yo, Ty, I hope you drop some more of the NFTs soon. They hard. Hey, man, I'm definitely gonna be dropping, products from what we were talking about with the NFTs. So you guys just be tapped in, man. Right now, only thing I got on deck is the stickers. We sold out of the keychains. We got more keychains on the way, a different type. But I got the Trade Boy stickers. I got the Forex stickers. These are transparent, so you can pull these off. And when you put them on anything, like it doesn't have a background, so they're clear. You feel me? But it has a white background. But these are clear stickers." See, go ahead and open this real quick so you can see. Feel me? So even if I wanted to put this on the back of my phone or something like that, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna get you right. So you can go ahead and get, this shit from TradeGang.com, man. This is all your trading utensils, all your trading needs. We got some specialty mouse pads being made. I got a dope, specialty mouse pad. So this is, you see how it's a clear sticker, you know what I'm saying? Clear sticker, so you could slap it on anything, sticker slap anything. So you guys definitely want to get you some Forex stickers, man. So just put this on my phone for right now. Just bam, put this on here real quick. You know what I'm saying? Just slap it on there. So any surface, any surface, then you could just, bam, just like that. And then we solid, you know what I'm saying? So get you some clear stickers so you can slipper slap and just, support Forex and go super hard. Let's get it. So we did GU, we did EU, and we did DXY. So we got a good understanding of what's going on. We understand where the market's going for the week. And let's get it, man. Let's get it popping. You feel me? Last but not least, what I'm going to do is go over to UK oil and then, usually when oil is going one direction, both of them are going the same way. So U.S. oil should be doing the same thing. And that's going to wrap up for us on Sundays, ladies and gentlemen. We rocked out to Trade or Die. We talked about the Trade or Die. We talked about the Trade or Die book. We talked about the new products that are coming to the Trade Gang store. For the holidays, it's going to be really, really dope. So you want to be tapped in. All right. So let's go to oil. Let's go ahead and take down the 3 screen. Go ahead and do the 1. All right. Go to oil. Oh, yeah. Lovely. Look at that. Engulfing candle coming out of oil. Price already hit around 88. The 91 area took off 91. So we probably got oil about to push back to 104 for the week. You feel me? Hell yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. So shit, the dollar fade to the downside. We could have oil push it back up to about this area right here, 104. If it doesn't retest, maybe Sunday it'll start pulling back or something like that, but it'll only probably pull back to like 97, 96. But I feel like ultimately oil gonna break out and we're gonna see like the high 100s. Well, not high 100s, but like the early 100s, like 104, 103, 105, well, 105, because that's really like the top where it's at right here. So like 105 and 107. That's the clear, but before we get there, we have to clear this 100 point. So we got a few levels before we get there, but the way oil moves, it just looks like, hey, it's going to be definitely doing that. And let's get it popping. Let's get it popping. Let's get it popping. He said, Ty, you feel me? So I'm going to answer a few questions, and then, you get a question with the author, man. You get a question there with the author, man. Question with the author. Spark this little bleeds, answer a few of y'all questions, and then I got you. All right, so let's get it popping. I know you guys got questions. I got answers. Let's see if the comments come up on the screen this time, because at first they weren't. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm not sure why. Oh, we back. We back. We back. We back. He said, I will quit my corporate job. Yes, you will. That's how you do it, man. You got to believe. He said, let's see. Okay. Hell yeah. Appreciate that. I got you. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate that. Appreciate the donation, Robert. Appreciate the donation, man. Appreciate the donation. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all, man. Let me show y'all. Hold on. Why we going up? Why we going up? So because this real. This real. What's this shit say? The #1 new release. I'm going to refresh it. Let's see if we still there. Still there. Still there. I'm going to refresh it again. Let's see if niggas still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. We got the #1 new release in what? The foreign exchange. Stop playing. Stop playing. Stop playing. Like I'm saying, man, appreciate all you guys, man, because it took not just me, because I'm only one order. You know what I'm saying? I'm only one person, but it took all of you to basically just make this shit happen. So we over here on Amazon. You guys could go and get in on Amazon, you know what I'm saying, which I definitely appreciate. That'll be dope. But if you want to support me the most, just come over. I have the actual link in my bio, man. I got the actual link in my bio. and you can go ahead and grab that, you know, and you will get it before it's released. All right, so if you want it early, you can get it from me, my personal link, and then you guys have the book before it's released. Should you buy it today, it should be there either, I don't know, depending on what shipping option you choose. Usually it takes like 3 to 5 business days. Today is Sunday, so I mean, you know, however that works, or wherever you live, you know. So that's what it is. And then let's see. Okay, let's see where I'm at. Number 7 in foreign exchange books right now. Number five right now. So like this thing changed every hour. So I've been on the charts really battling it out. So not only have I did, not only am I battling it out on the Forex charts. Hey man, you got a Black Forex published author battling out on the bestsellers list in the foreign exchange. You can watch the battle go down. We going up. We going up for real. Right now we number 5. You know what I'm saying? The highest rating I got was number 3. You feel me? They got ads running. Robert McDay got ads running right now. Technical Masterclass. They got like 3,000 views, and he's selling it for like $6. So you know they're gonna buy that cheap shit up. You know what I'm saying? But hey, $59.99. We coming with that real value. Hey, I don't know about these other authors, but you can come see me get out. You can watch all the Forex on Sundays back, match them up with what's going on. You can see I stand behind my shit. This trader died for real. That's why the back tattoo was there. You get what I'm saying? So, hey man, let's get it like that. And then also on BookBaby, I think we let's see. I think I'm on the bestsellers on there too. I gotta check. I'm gonna pull it up. I think I put the bestsellers on their website too. Oh yeah. Yep. So there I go right there too. You feel me? There I go right there too, so you can see. So these are all the other books just so you can see, but we in there, man. So we bestsellers everywhere right now. Bestsellers everywhere. You know what I'm saying? Bestsellers everywhere. Shit, let's get it, man. You guys go cop the book, and let's get it. You feel me? This the real trade gang. We really out here. We showing out on the charts. We showing out in the universe, man. Blessings to all y'all. Appreciate you guys for rocking with me. You feel me? What I'm about to do, man, is enjoy my Sunday. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy my Sunday. Shit, I got some products coming this week, so it's gonna be dope, man. I can't wait to show you the new shit. And let's get it. But yeah, this book gonna get your mind right, gonna help you master your discipline and stuff like that. Teach you some dope strategies. Connect the book with the YouTube videos. Watch them and read it simultaneously, and upgrade your skill, master your discipline. Now it's your boy Ty, man, the #1 motherfucking published Forex author in the goddamn universe. Let's get it, baby, and we out of here, man. Forex on Sundays. Let's go. You know the vibes. Yeah, Phil.